As you guys can see, Alchemy Pay is down right now, and this has happened before. If we go to the weekly, it has happened to where it's dipped below 8, but it's been consistently at 8 and on a consistent downtrend from 10 to around 8, but that's fine. All the fake investors will sell their dips, like they're just not knowledgeable about Alchemy Pay. And if you guys didn't know, right, Amazon partnered with Alchemy Pay, so now that is Amazon right here, and that is Shopify right here. And Alchemy Pay also has a TikTok, because I was posting a little while, and then guess who responded? Alchemy Pay. And as you can see, the website is in the bio. Now let's try to access the website to see if there's any updates going on with Alchemy Pay as of right now. And it seems to be very normal. So there's nothing going on at all. Nothing. Let's look at their partnerships, because this is the big upside. This is where all the potential is. Shopify. You know what I'm saying? Binance. Alliance. We got C Lavis. I think is that Spain? I'm not sure, man. First in Hong Kong, accepting cryptocurrencies. If we zoom in here, this is the payment methods allowed in Hong Kong. They accept crypto and things. Damn, that's crazy. I like how a lot of Asian communities are accepting Bitcoin and cryptos now, which is great. So yeah, the whole purpose of Alchemy Pay, if we're looking at the long-term side of things, let's go to the about section and let's read about it, man. Let's learn more. All right, I think that's let's go. Accept payments through POS, web, and card. Damn, that's really crazy. They're gonna have a card. Why Alchemy Pay? Now let's read this so we can learn about it, because I know literally none of y'all even did research on the company at all. So let's read it together. Accept payments worldwide, cryptocurrency to card, and mobile wallets with just one payment system. Get paid in local currency. No matter your customer's payment method or currency, we will settle with you in your preferred local currency to minimize your FX friction. Now, what that means is, right, whenever you're trading from Alchemy Pay to Bitcoin, the transactions aren't that high. So you would be gaining money from using Alchemy Pay in that sense, which gives it an actual purpose. Unlike the rest of the altcoins on here, like literally, Dogecoin is a meme. It serves no purpose. So if we go back to the month of May for everything was up. For Alchemy Pay to skyrocket, we need another month like this. And we're starting to see that. So I'm expecting by mid-December, Alchemy Pay could be anywhere from $1 to $100 on the high end. I'm just being serious. I don't think it's speculation at all. If we have a crazy month with Bitcoin, the same way we had it right here in April, before the legislators scared everybody about Bitcoin and things of that nature and it crashed, I just see it consistently going up, to be honest. And that's just my opinion. Expect a crazy big month from Alchemy Pay. But let's go back and let's continue reading. Earn and reward ACH. Beyond competitive transaction fees, our payment method protocol rewards you and your customers with ACH tokens for every crypto transaction. Our token ACH are used to pay any fees related to Alchemy Pay platform. Click on the logo to buy any of these exchanges. So these exchanges, right, use Alchemy Pay. So these are all the exchanges they are listed on. This is pretty much what they're saying. I don't know if it's misspoken. They could have just said it's listed on these websites, but they said it how they wanted to. So yeah, all of these guys now accept Alchemy Pay, and Coinbase was the big one. As you know, there's always a Coinbase effect for every single coin. Like the second Shiba Inu gets listed, bro, it's game over. It's game over. Did you guys see that? They already listed it up. They're just playing with y'all at this point. Did they take it down? I think they might have took it down. Yeah, they took it down. Way too much hype around it. Way too much hype around it. Well, they got some new little work coins here at the bottom. Oh, wait, no, there it is. I swear to God. Oh, no, I'm tripping. They got pancake swap, though. But yeah, Shiba Inu's way too small for them to see any type of money on. So if they even list it on the website, they're going to be losing money. And I don't think they want to do that for long term. So yeah, I'm just really scrolling up and down at this point. All right. So as you can see, Dogecoin is up. Everything is going up, which is good for the market. But I feel like that's bad for Alchemy Pay. For some reason, whenever the market is down, Alchemy Pay is up. So expect this thing to be like big on weekends and quieter throughout the every day, if that makes sense. All right, so let's go to the charts and let's analyze this. Let's see what kind of trend we are on. As you know, I always have this pulled up just so I can watch it in my free time. So I'm gonna go to the live view. Then we're gonna go into the comments, because you know I like reading the comments. I like hearing what everybody has to say. And as you can see, the consistent red. Actually, let me show you guys now. All right, let me turn the comments off and put y'all on some game. The consistent red that it shows on the left side of the screen, that means more people are selling the coin than they are buying it. So if you want a big uptrend, what you need is for the left side to be completely green. So like the more people who purchase the coin at higher prices makes it go up. And that's why when there was an influx of new buyers in the beginning, that's why it pumped up. And then they dumped it down because they wanted to get their profits, and then they didn't hold any shares of the coin anymore, which made it go back down to around a stable 0.9 to 0.13 in those ranges. That's on the high end. But yeah, it's just reached literally the bottom. And in my opinion, I could see it going anywhere from 0.085 to, at the lowest, 0.075, which is insane. I doubt it will even reach that. In all honesty, we're seeing some resistance on the 9, so it seems like it's gonna sit at 9. And the Asians are gonna love this. I'm gonna be honest, the Asians are gonna love this, because most of the time they come here, they buy the dip, and then they hold, because this coin is used more in Asia than it is in America. So there's not a lot of supply and demand with it, besides investors trying to get money off of it. Yeah, and if you guys didn't know, right, because we don't see China's news. So if I put on a VPN to China and I copy this, I didn't even mean to do that. Okay, we want to go here, we want to copy this, we want to erase that, and then we want to see if it's being used in China. Okay, so now you could see we're in the right section now. Okay, so I gotta cut that out. I'm gonna just press the top part. I guess okay, so this is for like them wanting me to sign a newsletter. I'm guessing they do that. It's cool. Okay, so now this looks like the subheading. I can't copy. Oh, there we go. We want to copy this, but I'm gonna have to scroll and copy because this newsletter is not leaving. All right, so they're talking about the price, obviously. See, we're just gonna copy this. Boom, boom. Let's go to Chinese to English. This might just be informational about Bitcoin, but I'm hoping and praying that it's like Bitcoin being adopted, because I know it's been adopted. All right, China's action to restrict cryptocurrency trading and mining have exacerbated the frenzy of Bitcoin and other marketers. Bitcoin and other digital currencies, which have fallen sharply from this year's record high, were sold off violently last week after the Chinese government once again put pressure on domestic banks and payment companies to curb crypto-related transactions. After a powerful super regulatory meeting chaired by Vice Premier Liu He announced a crackdown on Bitcoin mining and trading, the market plummeted in Monday morning. The price of Bitcoin fell below, and it was still above a week ago. Even though China has accepted the technology behind Bitcoin and has planned to launch a digital renminbi that will be controlled by the Central Bank of China, it is still trying to curb cryptocurrency trading activities. Okay, so what their government is doing is regulating Bitcoin so that people can't get rich off of, how could I say it, off of using these transactions and bakes and then getting it for like a profit. And then how do I say, they're just trying to crack, it seems as if they're trying to crack down on things of that nature. They want to keep it scarce, I believe, or something. I'm guessing they don't want people earning off of it. Which, I mean, I don't know why you're gonna knock a man's hustle. Let a man. I guess he used too much energy, and China's already doesn't have. I'm not saying they don't have energy. I'm saying, like, don't they have like a pollution problem? At least that's what the American news has spread to us and made me believe. So yeah, that's pretty much it. They're accepted. Bitcoin technology is accepted in China. I'm pretty sure Litecoin, Ethereum, and Ethereum 2 may be accepted. Maybe Bitcoin Cash, we do not know. But the use of Alchemy Pay and all of that is to make the transactions cost less for the miners, which is going to help the Chinese market because they kind of need that as of right now, especially with the mining going on and them cracking down on mining. Alchemy Pay would be good because it would damn, how would I say that? It would cut the transaction fees between mining and exchange. Honestly, guys, I think this is nothing to worry about. It's been here before. It's gone up from this before, from recent history. As we can see, it goes to 0.08 right here, and then as we keep going, we're gonna see more 0.08. So it's just back. Not even to where it started. It's still above where it started. It started booming up at around 0.06. But then we got here and there's some resistance. I'm holding. Definitely see this as a long-term investment that could make me a return on my money. I'm not a financial advisor, but it's time to buy.